Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you all are doing well. My today's nail art is inspired from Queen Band's I Want to Break Free song, and yes, it's Freddie Mercury's birthday special nail art. So without any further delay, let's start with my today's video. So starting with base coat to make my manicure long lasting. After base coat, I am applying a nude nail polish on my middle fingernail where I am going to draw Freddie Mercury's face later. I used few of my oldest nail polishes to create this nail art, and one of them is 7 years old. Can you imagine? I have applied striping tape on my middle fingernail off camera, 2 vertically and 1 horizontally. I am going to apply black nail polish to create hair on top of nude polish. With help of striping tape, it will be easy to maintain straight lines. As I said before, this nail art is inspired from I Want to Break Free song, but it's also inspired from another nail art which is done by another nail artist from Japan, and her Insta handle is Queen Experience SK. If you have Instagram account, then make sure to check out her work and follow her on Instagram. She is an amazing artist. Here I am removing striping tape before my nail polish dries out. After removing tape, there are tiny gaps on hair part. I am filling up those gaps with that same black polish and brush. After hair, it's time to draw moustache and lips. I have just drawn a black straight line for moustache, and for lips I draw pink straight line which is smaller than the moustache. Now it's time to draw Freddie's skirt and top. For top, I am applying bubblegum pink nail polish on my ring fingernail. When my pink nail polish dries out completely, I am drawing a heart shape with black nail polish at the tip of my nail. And it's Freddie's skirt. Those solid colors are too boring, isn't it? That's why when nail polishes of my ring fingernail dries out completely, I have applied a crystal glitter top coat on top of pink polish and chunky glitter top coat on top of black polish. I was in need of to apply another coat of chunky glitter top coat, but if I apply another coat of it, then my nail tips will look so thick. That's why I have applied glitter top coat on a silicone nail mat, and with help of toothpick, I picked up glitters and placed it on top of nail polish. On my other nails, I am applying this shimmery or glittery pink nail polish. This nail art has too much pink, and I don't like pink. Pink is not my type of color. Here I am finishing my manu with a glossy top coat, and after applying top coat, I have added 2 pink studs on Freddie's face as earrings, and to make his skirt more realistic, I have added a ring stud on the middle of the black heart to look it like belt of the skirt. So that's all about my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, then please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Bye bye.